Welcome to Korea.
Obviously, we made it.
No shit.
At least.
Party na tayo, wala pa po. 6 p.m. Flight is at 11:20 to go into Korea.
Alright. So,
It's
abangan.
a adventure for us.
Yeah. Will we make it or
We have to. We have to make it. Do you remember? Do you remember? Do you remember?
Turn it up.
Mga besh, ay ayan yung pinunta naming Silent Sanctuary, hindi namin naabutan.
we left after Kamikaze set?
Kailangan na naming bumalik sa airport because it's currently 9:11 and the check-in closes in an hour and we still have to grab our stuff and put the 20 outfits that I brought.
What she said.
Yes. Kasi we're gonna finesse them. Hopefully we made it out.
We're out of the airport and we're waiting for our bus. Super easy lang. Thank you, Fluke.
Look for your help.
Ngayon, ang gloomy ng weather. For the summer outfit kami.
Lamig siya, besh.
Paglabas namin, bugs. Mulan pala. Kaya, okay lang yan. Mamayang 2 pa yung check-in namin. So, wala kaming choice. Gagala muna kami. Ano?
Do you wanna know? It's a beautiful day, my beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so right, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far.
Once again, hello. For real.
Hirap ulit.
Grabe, kung may energy lang talaga kaming i-video yung pinagdaanan namin.
Dapat meron yung nasa ulo mo eh. Kasi sabi ko sana, Rose, video mo ang sayang content. Kaso lang, naisip ko ito, puta kawawa naman itong babae. Hindi niya naman ginusto itong nangyayari ngayon. Papabidyo ko pa, kapal ng mukha.
Kung may energy lang talaga kami, na-share namin yung paghihirap namin.
Kasi iniisip ko rin, kung ilalagay mo yung cellphone mo,
Mauhulog-hulog, wala na.
May inis ka na lang, wag na. Baka hindi pa kami umabot.
Hindi na nga mahila yung bag. And then, pro tip. Wow, pro tip.
Pro tip. Ayusin nyo yung data nyo.
Yeah, ayusin nyo yung data nyo kasi pag wala kayong data, wala talaga. Hindi nyo mapupuntahan yung pupuntahan nyo. Tulad kami, hotel na nga lang. Ang cute naman ito. Anyway, hotel na nga lang. Hindi pa namin So yeah, kakain na kami for brunch.
Magko-Korean barbecue agad kami for brunch.
Ganon ka go to sleep. No sleeping.
Exactly.
You're only in Korea for 7
Hell
days.
nah.
You're only in Korea for 7 days.
I have work.
Something's telling me this time, baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give.
Guys, the best KBBQ. I mean, ito pa lang naman trinay namin today. Let's see sa next days. But, ito na. Ang the best so far.
Ito na.
Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one wanna show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. Don't wanna show me if we're together.
This is in Myeongdong, Mong Valley Beef Buffet. Must try, guys. But kung mag-try pa kami ng ibang samgyup, I'll let you know kung masarap. Wow! Food vlog.
Food vlog, panikaon tayo, besh.
Ito pala yung price. Basahin nyo na lang. Ito yung kinuha namin. Full set. Pwede na. Next, maghahanap kami ng dessert. Bingsu. At gongcha. At chocolate. Gagi, nahilo ako. High blood na ata to.
Nang high blood ka, wala ka namang tabang kinain, besh.
Okay, guys. Bye.
Ano kung tumigil na yung ulan?
Kain na naman. Tumigil na. Kung kailan naka-order kami, titigil yung ulan. Okay, okay. Skirt. What you
Ako yung apple? Pero masarap, masyadong malasa.
Ganito yung kulay sa...
Ang mama.
It don't matter if it rains all day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and it's smiling, holding on to your time. I guess our hearts cannot lie, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Let's go and follow your heart. Doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel
7-Eleven
inside.
hits.
Baby, baby, now I
Philippines
know.
good never.
Baby, baby, gotta go.
Hey,
Mali na naman po siya.
sino kaya? Anyway,
Ay, ang gusto niya, Han River.
nasa Han River kami.
Literal
And,
na Han River. Wala yung mga...
yan. But then, there's no sunset because it's been raining all
All
afternoon.
day,
And
every day.
sumilip naman, but
Sumilip
wala
siya.
na,
Tapos
natakpan.
after nun, wala na siya.
So what we gonna do? Where we gonna go?
Huwag ka na go to the bank. Oy, magagawa pa tayo ng TikTok natin.
Ay, oh pala. Sige. Dito na. Dito ko itutuloy. Naantay namin yung bus namin going to Banpo Bridge.
잠시 후 도착 버스는
Mali ang pinuntahan.
7:50 na and iniwanan pa. So, o tapos bukas, bahala ka.
Maaga akong
Tulog
gigising, ikaw matutulog ka pa.
Pag Myeongdong ka. Huwag ka muna magsha-shopping ah.
Mag-breakfast na nga ako sa magkakape lang ako na magkakape siya maglalakad kasi gusto ko maglakad. Siya ayaw niya pong maglakad.
Kasi nire-reserve ko yung energy.
Sa trabaho niya.
Exactly.
Nang nakaupo lang.
Medyo nawala kami, pero ganyan talaga if you're traveling.
Mawawala
Ka talaga. So, you have to be patient and enjoy the adventure.
You never know where you're going.
And
Hindi mo rin alam kung sino makakasalubong mo para kanina.
sana may makasalubong ulit kaming parang gano'n.
Pa, ipuulong kaya. Pulong ka kay Espulong.
Ay! Pagod na ako.
So much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Not to worry tomorrow. For now, you're my day. I love the way you look so alright? The one who showed me now and forever.
Hola! Ano oras na? 11. It's 11 a.m. So, ang balak namin kahapon, alis na kami by 9. Pero, 11 na. So, okay lang yan. Kasi, pagod din kami kahapon. And, let's see, saan tayo dadalhin ni Zenya ngayon?
Si Dora.
We have arrived in Gyeokbokgung Palace. Gyeokbokgung. And pwede mag-rent sa labas ng hanbok, but nag-decide kaming sa village na lang, mamaya or bukas. Bukas, alis na tayo. Mamaya. So, try namin pumasok dyan so we can see. Ang init, grabe. Akala namin gloomy. But nung lumabas kami, grabe ang init. Humid din dito sa Korea. And talagang pawis kong pawis pag naglakad ka sa arawan. So yeah, let's go. Kaya natin to. Pwede bang pumasok?
Wow, magaling na tayo ngayon. Hello. Saan nilalagay ang cellphone?
Do you wanna know? Well, I've been thinking about you.
Okay,
let's go.
Ito na natin.
Because
For the shopping.
Sadly, hindi kami nakapasok sa Gyeongbokgung Palace sa loob mismo. Kasi it seems like may construction sa loob. And yeah, sa labas na kami nagpicture. Grabe, sobrang tirik ng araw. Kasi actually 12 noon naman na. And inaantay na lang namin yung bus namin. So we can go to Gwangjang Market and have lunch. Yeah, ang ganda ng transpo nila dito. I think mas gusto ko yung transpo ng Korea kaysa comparing it to Japan. So cute. So cute.
the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me.
Amoy ano? Market, literal. Like okay, Maharlika. Smells like Maharlika.
Panahon.
Ganito na, oh. Gusto ko i-try. Let's taste, guys. Ang init, day.
Yummy, yum.
Masya sa'yo. Ang sarap nung odeng. Was that odeng? Anyway, fish cake. We're gonna try the mungbean. Yan ang pancake na lean pancake. Hindi na tayo magpanggap. Masya sa'yo.
Follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to
Di natin
give.
ito nakita,
Something's
ito
telling
doesn't
me this time. Baby, now I know. Baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah.
Init. Gagi, basag na yung camera mo.
Basag na basag. Ang year set ako isang
Wanna show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please.
Nasa Starfield Library na kami. We're just going to take a few pictures. Nagpapanggap lang naman kami. Pero may mga nagbabasa talaga dito. Puro Koreans naman yung books. I guess may international section dito, but we're not readers. We're not bookworms, so for the picture lang. Ay, video pala si ate.
And it's smiling, holding on to your tight. I guess our hearts cannot lie. And it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart.
Lapit naman natin mag-usap. Lang yung COVID day dyan, wapa ng Korea. Besh, kape tayo.
Saan? Sa Korea. Hirap ka ba? There it is. The Gangnam Style statue. We're at Ensol Tower. Ganda ng view. Kita mo yung buong town. Here's the tower. Mahina lang pala yung ilaw niya. Kala ko like iilaw siya ng super liwanag. Kaya pala from the hotel hindi halata yung lights niya. Unless siguro super dilim na. Anyway, we took the bus coming up. Medyo mataas siya. So, I don't think pwedeng i-walk unless you want to hike. So, yeah. Explore muna namin. Bye! Wala nang kwarta. So,
Or the ano ka na lang, nag-gentle monster ang mo yung bata. Sabi siguro ng bata.
hotdog.
Pahiram.
Bagong amats ko.
Kape.
And I hope this tastes just like the one in Japan.
Japan.
And of course,
Kain na nga lang tayo. Okay. Now,
No matter how far, I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right.
we're now at Bukchon. Before anything else, kakain muna kami. First meal we had in a while. In a day. Kahapon kasi puro junk food, street food. So, finally a decent meal.
When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together.
Kain na lang kami and magpi-picture.
we're gonna have some.
Ito. Dessert. You can go. I'll stay in the shade.
Ay, diba?
Luggage storage. Philippines. Number one.
Mango talaga, no?
Oh, mag-mango ka na. Yan na, apa. Yan na lang ipasalubong ko, calendar. I cannot. It's a long way. Seoul!
Again.
Again and again. Lalabas na kami. Katatapos namin magbihis. Straight na agad lalabas. 7 PM na pala. Uwi na ako bukas. Bye.
Mamimiss siya na yung jowa niya.
Mamimiss ako ni Zenya.
Ako?
Shit, ang sangit isuna.
Ba't walang...
So today, punta kami ng Hongdae para first of all, kumain. Ito naman si shopping. Alam nyo ba, we struggle to have a decent meal in one day. Kasi, di ba late na kaming nagigising. And, nagmamadali na kami. So, talagang konbini food na lang. Walang mintis na onigiri, banana milk, and coffee. Tapos later that day, lagi namin sabihin, maghanap tayong food. And sa kakahanap namin, hindi kami makadecide. We end up eating junk food again.
Once a day food.
Kainis. So, pipilitin namin na makakain ngayon ng samgyeopsal.
I love the way you like a song, you know my heart. Cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything on my day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. Don't wanna show me now.
Kakababa lang. Ice cream. Okay guys, time to chow. Ito kami sa sikat na samgyeopsal. Ni-research ni Zenyo. Dito nag-shoot yung weightlifting fairy. Kaso dito, per serving sila mag-charge. Hindi siya
Maliit sila mag-serve.
Mas ang liit ng serving, but well, let's go ahead.
No, you'll never be alone. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. Don't wanna show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains.
Di manang ang apo lang naman.
Daming tao. Let's see, anong pinupuntahan nila doon.
Tayo sa Nike.
So busy. It's already 10 PM. Actually, maaga pa pala yun. Oo.
Ay, sarado na.
Para sa akin, late yun. Tung sahur. Tralalay at tralala. Nandito talaga sila. Guys, may suntukan. Let's go karaoke. Karaoke daw kami. Sana may Filipino songs or at least English songs. Nasa bucket list daw kasi ni Zen. And bigain. Yeah. 4.
Dala tayo ng soju.
Hindi namin alam. Philippines represent.
Ala?
Labanan mo yun eh, nasa kabilang kwarto.
Nana nila.
Alright, please. Represent! Here we go! Nung may love ako sa'yo, kapag pag-ibig mo ay tunay, pero di nagtagal ko, baski ang tunay na kulay. Ang iyong kilay, mapagmataas at lahing ninintas. Pero sarili kong pera ay iyong ninawandas. Para ka-speak, uganin mo na mapaspeak. Iyakin mo ko balad na nakaka-streak. Girl, you're mine, I don't tell a lie. Bakit mo ako lang ibinibigay all the good times. Oh, say that girl wants to see. Oh yeah, 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 don't break my heart. You are my boy, my good. So build me a buttercup, don't break my heart. Bye. Good night, Korea. Ay. Nasa Cafe Pokpo kami. Pokpo. Mabilisang side trip before my flight. Ang ganda.
Bili mo tayo?
You every day, as long as you're in
I
my
took the
arms,
express
boy.
train to
You
the
wanna show me
airport.
now and forever.